In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom the screen on a laptop and desktop. This can be particularly useful for those moments when you need a closer look at what's on your screen, or perhaps when you want to reduce the size to see more of the bigger picture. Whether you're working on Windows or using various applications, there's a simple and consistent way to zoom in and out, and even reset the zoom using just your keyboard. Let's start with zooming in. This is perfect when you want to enlarge the text or images that are displayed on your screen. To do this, you'll use your Control key, or Control, which is typically located at the bottom left or right of your keyboard. While holding down the Control key, press the plus sign. You'll notice that by doing so, your screen content will magnify, allowing you a closer view of whatever is displaying on your screen. It's like having a magnifying glass right at your fingertips. Now, if you've zoomed in too much or simply want to decrease the magnification to see more of your screen at once, you'll want to zoom out. To achieve this, continue holding down the Control key, but this time press the minus sign. Each press will make the content on your screen appear smaller, allowing for more display space, which is particularly useful for spreadsheets and detailed dashboards where you need a broader view. This method of using the Control key along with the plus or minus sign is not only simple but also universally recognized across most applications on Windows. It's a handy trick that's compatible with web browsers, word processors, and many other software programs. Finally, there might be times when you've adjusted the zoom so much that you just want to start over with the default view. For situations like these, you can easily reset your zoom level back to the original state. To do this, once again, hold the Control key and press the number 0. The screen will instantly reset to the previous default view, completely removing any zoom adjustments you've made. These keyboard shortcuts are incredibly useful and efficient for managing the display settings on your laptop or desktop without delving into more complicated menus or settings. They provide a quick solution to adjust your screen view, enhance readability, and ultimately improve your overall computing experience. I hope you find these tips helpful as you navigate through your digital tasks. Thanks for watching and happy zooming!